Fix and flip investing remains one of the most lucrative strategies in real estate. But in 2025, success depends on choosing the right markets. In this video, we break down the top cities where fix and flip deals are yielding the highest returns, how to finance your flips, and proven strategies to maximize your profit. Market trends are shifting, and fix and flip investors need to follow the numbers. Here are the top 5 U.S. cities where investors are seeing the highest returns on their flips. Tampa's real estate market continues to surge, with increasing home values and strong demand from out-of-state buyers. Investors are making an average return of 18% per flip. Phoenix remains a prime market for flippers, offering a 20% average return. The key is modernizing properties to meet the demand for energy-efficient homes. Charlotte's rapid population growth and affordable housing make it a hotspot for fix and flip deals, with investors seeing returns of up to 22% per project. With the influx of tech companies and young professionals, Austin's housing market remains competitive. Flippers who focus on modern designs and high-end finishes are making a 25% return on investment. Columbus stands out as an affordable yet profitable market, with house flippers earning returns of 28% on average. The city's strong rental market also makes it a prime spot for long-term investing. Securing financing is crucial for maximizing fix and flip profits. Here are the best funding options available to investors in 2025. Hard money loans remain a fast and flexible financing option, offering quick approvals based on property value rather than personal credit. However, higher interest rates require careful planning. Many flippers are turning to private lenders or business partnerships to fund deals without relying on traditional banks. These agreements offer flexible terms and can help scale investment strategies. For homeowners, a home equity line of credit provides access to funds at lower interest rates, making it an effective strategy for financing fix and flip projects. Seller financing is an overlooked but valuable option, allowing investors to negotiate directly with property owners for better terms and reduced upfront costs. Success in fix and flip investing comes down to smart market selection, efficient renovations, and strategic financing. Here are 3 real investors who turned undervalued properties into high-profit flips. An investor in Phoenix purchased a home for $250,000, spent $40,000 on renovations, and sold it for $365,000, netting a $75,000 profit in just 4 months. One investor in Columbus transformed a $120,000 duplex into a fully renovated $300,000 rental property, generating long-term cash flow instead of a single resale profit. A first-time flipper in Tampa purchased a distressed home for $180,000, completed upgrades worth $40,000, and resold the property for $290,000, securing a $70,000 profit. Fix and flip investing in 2025 presents incredible opportunities, but success depends on choosing the right markets, securing the best financing, and executing renovations efficiently. Which market do you think offers the highest potential this year? Comment below and let us know your thoughts. For more real estate investing tips, market insights, and expert strategies, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Stay ahead in the real estate game.